guys, so welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to show you how to fix the views count in YouTube. As you can see here, the view count is in lakh but not in million. So I'm going to show you how to solve this problem. So in order to do that, what you have to do is just go for settings, then go for additional settings, go for language and input, and see, as you can see here, language selected for my device is English, that also for India. So in India the counting system is in lakh and crore but not in millions or billions. So what you have to do is just you have to change this language, and you can set either English UK or English US. So I'm going to change it for English US. So after doing that, it will refresh, and let's check now what is the view count. Let's refresh it. Well, we can see here, see, now it is coming in millions and instead of lakh. Hope you guys enjoy this video. See you in the next one. Thank you.